Good morning, Dave. Hope you're doing well, mate. So I thought I'd just shoot you a quick video on how to create a business manager. So at the moment, it looks like you just have the ad account, which is fine, and that's just connected up to your personal page. No problem there. That's all good. But I did see that note that I emailed over to you. So just to make sure that nothing goes wrong until once that gets moved over. Or I think it was the 15th of October was the date I saw. So just to make sure that nothing goes wrong there, it'd be an idea just to create a business manager for the Zidell property page. So what you need to do is if you just go to business.facebook.com, you should see a page like this. So you just want to go up and click create account. And when you do that, it'll ask you to log in. Or you can just hit create new account. So create a new account, and then once you do that, you'll be prompted with the name of the page or the name of the account you want to make, or all the details. So just go through. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just fill all that out, and then once you do that, it's not going to make any impact to the ads at all. So don't worry about that. It's not going to interrupt the performance that's happening at the moment. So that's all good. This is kind of what happened in the background. So once you do that, you can just be able to jump into your business settings, I believe it is, and then you can add in your ad account and your Facebook page. That way. So once you get a page like this, you just go over to ad accounts, and because you're already an admin of both the ad account and the business page, you can just click add an ad account, and then you should go to request access to an ad account. You type in the ad account ID, which you can get from the ad account that you've already created, and then that'll automatically pull that straight in. Do the exact same for pages as well. You jump to pages here, and you click add up the top, and then request access to a page or add a page. And because you are admin of the page, you just type that in, click add, and because you're an admin, it'll come straight over already. So give that a go. I'll shoot you through some documentation from Facebook as well, just on how to do that. But if you get any troubles there, let me know, and if worst comes to worst, we can jump into your account. You can just give us your logins. I can jump in, create the business account, and then hand it back over to you. But hopefully that's all explanatory, and if you got any questions, let me know. Thanks, mate.